Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to try out some very interesting paper that Arteza sent me. This is their DIY frame watercolor pad. It comes with 10 sheets and it's basically a foldable watercolor paper that turns into a canvas, which is ready to be displayed and be hung, which I thought was really cool. So the papers come with these lines that are foldable. The paper is 100% cotton. They claim that it's acid free, so basically that means that your painting will remain vibrant and it will not turn yellow. And it's mold made and it's called pressed paper. Now, to be honest, I'm not really into the whole paper thing. I think I'm easily pleased with whatever watercolor paper I can find. And this one performed really well. I did add a lot of water to it and it did not warp in any sort of way, which it does claim to do. It is heavyweight paper and the water does not bleed through. It's 140 pounds, so basically 300 GSM paper. So that's the usual type of paper I use. As I said, it comes with 10 sheets. Unfolded, they are 11 by 14 inches. So that's 27.9 per 35.6 centimeters. And folded, it's 7 per 8.5 inches. So that's 17.8 per 21.8 centimeters. So it's a relatively good size. I would say that unfolded, it's sort of an A3, and folded, it turns into an A5, which is fine. I usually work on A5 paper anyways. They also claim that it's ideal for watercolor and mixed media techniques, which it really is. Yeah, you have all sorts of instructions on the back of the watercolor pad on how to fold it, but it's very intuitive and very simple. So on their US website, the watercolor pad retails for $19.96 and on their UK website it's 24.99 pounds. I will leave links in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this watercolor pad. As you know, I am an Arteza affiliate, so if you do click the links, I do get a small commissions, but do not feel pressured to do so whatsoever. I basically am doing these videos to show you off all the supplies that Arteza sent me. I really enjoy their products, as you know, and as I've mentioned in previous videos, and I think it's fun to show you how I use them and what you can do with them. So for today's illustration, I am doing another pet portrait. If you're wondering why I'm doing so many pet portraits, it's because it's a reward I have on my Patreon. So basically my $5 to $15 tiers receive in the first month a pet portrait in the mail and also as a digital file. And yeah, I think this is a really cool reward I can give to people, and it's not exclusively pet portraits, so if you want, you can get a portrait of yourself or of a family member. This paper is really perfect for that because I can send it unfolded, and whoever receives it can fold it and turn it directly into something that can be displayed or can even be hung up on a wall. So I think that's pretty great, and I really wanted to show you guys this type of paper. If you don't want to invest in a frame or anything like that, I think it's a really neat idea. Now, I'm not sure how much it would last since it's so exposed. They claim that it does not turn yellow, which we will see, but I do like to frame personally my own illustrations. I feel they are more safe there, but this is like a very budget-friendly option. So another benefit of these papers or canvases is that they are very compact as opposed to usual framed canvases, which take up a lot of space, so you can easily slide them in a drawer and it won't take up too much space. So as I said, the illustration is of a pet portrait. I used the Prima watercolors for the illustration. I also used some white from the Kuretake Gansai Tambi palette because the Prima watercolors do not have a white in them, in particular the Woodlands palette. I also used the Finetech pearlescent colors to add some shine to the illustration, and I did use black gouache to layer on top of that the metallic color because I feel it tends to be more vibrant. So yeah, these are my thoughts on this watercolor pads. I will be honest, usually paper does not get me so excited as regular art supplies, but this was a really fun experiment, and as you will see at the end of the video, I show you how I folded it and how it looks. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts on it, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!